Hi guys, I want to tell you about this beautiful Dewalt air compressor. I use it on my tires for my car. I use it on my volleyball here. It does have a tip that you can actually put in the ball and fill up. You have a battery. You have a storage place if you want to charge it in your car, so in case your battery is not working. It has a digital display and it'll stop wherever you want the pressure, and here's where it shows what the pressure is. It has a light and right there it shows the PSI again. And the other part is here is where you have your extra components, like where you fill your volleyball up or your balls. And again, this does have a really long cord, so you can fill it up. I have been using this about a year,